What's up? Are you ready to learn how to make spooky deviled egg eyes? Well, you came to the right place, because I'm gonna show you what to do. You will need some eggs, some mayonnaise, some pickles, some mustard. I have Dijon, but you can use whatever mustard you like. Some apple cider vinegar. I used this specific lime version. Some green dye, some olives, some paprika, and some sriracha. So the first thing you need to do is cut your eggs in half and put the yolk in a mixing bowl. I undercooked the eggs, so I gave up and decided to make new eggs. So here's the next day. Cutting the eggs in half and placing the egg yolk in the mixing bowl. Now I'm going to add some pickles into this food processor. Nice and chopped, okay. Pickles go in the mixing bowl. Then I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, not too much. I always make the mistake of adding too much. Then the mustard, just a little bit, and then just a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And chop up those egg yolks. I'm using a knife for some reason. You could probably use a spoon or a hammer or just a Hadron Collider, make the yolks explode into each other. And I forgot to add the salt and pepper. Now would be the time to do that. But after the salt and pepper would be some green dye. I used 4 egg yolks, that's 2 drops of green dye right there. Mixing it all up. So at this point, you can either move your egg solution into a plastic bag and like spray it on, whatever it's called, I don't know. I'm not a chef, but I didn't do that. I just took a spoon and stuck some of that egg solution in the eggs. So yeah, just you could do it like this or the regular way. Now time for the paprika. And then I'm gonna cut these olives in half and place your olives on the egg so they look like little eyeballs now. And for the last step, you will drizzle on some sriracha. So, as you can see, we have our finished eyes here jiggling around. Yeah, they're pretty good. So if you like this video, comment, maybe subscribe, I don't know. Maybe I'll do more cooking videos. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.